Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna start our backtest again. We're gonna continue the session from the previous stream. It was for the June. There was the previous session was June 13 to 17. So in this session we're gonna do June 20th to June 24th. So let's get started with the stream and the backtesting. So uh, for for you guys who watch this stream for the first time, so this is our backtest parameter. We're gonna use 50,000 capital. We're gonna raise 0.5% per trade, and we're gonna use a combination of SNR and SND in our trade only on New York session, and the pair is gold. Okay, so this is our strategy. Okay, so let's get started with the backtesting. I've already loaded the chart H4, H1, M30, and M15. So we start with H4, where we're gonna start at 13 hours MT4 time, which is 6 o'clock our time here. And in H4, we mark the SNR level. We just gonna keep doing this. I'll pick this one. It's a bit nearby, but I think it's significant support and resistance level. And if price goes up further, or go until here, and then we pick this low. Um, pick this low because there is a resistant, potentially resistant becomes support, and then of course this QM level, which actually already happened, but it's still a SNR level. Then of course if price continue to go bearish, we can also pick this support over here. Okay, we're done with H1. So next we go to, H4. Now we go to H1 for our SNR, SND level. Gonna mark it. This one, supply zone, another supply zone, and then this one is look like a demand zone over here. And then of course this is another demand zone. This is a swap zone basically with this bullish engulf candle over here, and there's a demand zone here and the last demand zone over here. Okay, right, so we go to M30, have a look at the zone. It looks okay. This one is looks okay. This one looks okay. So this is the last demand zone, and we look at M15 for our entry time frame. Let's look back at H1. As you can see here, basically price is making an up move, and now it's make a corrective sideways or channel to potentially bounce here and continue to go up. So our bias is more bullish than bearish. Unless it break the zone, we're gonna take the trade to down here. All right, let's play the chart. So at 6 p.m. Price doesn't do much over here. Just keep rejecting this area, and really this is a hard zone to trade. It looks like it's going to continue to go bullish, but that does not fit our strategy. So probably just let it play out as you wish. There's no setup for this how to say, this movement. Okay. There's nothing much to see. Let it move to the next bar. it going to continue to go up or go down? Okay, so we go back to this zone. It's a buy zone, but there's no buy setup. Let's look at M30. M30 is a tricky rejection candle over here. So now let's look at M15. So M15 just broke below this zone. However, this is quite a small range to take a trade. Yeah, like 30 pips. Okay, let's see how this candle close. So this candle close basically is a bullish pin bar. This is a bullish pin bar candle, although it's a bearish candle. And the time is 7:15 p.m. I want to see, because there's a strong rejection of the zone here, I want to see price actually broke above this, so it continued to move up. So because of that, I will look for a buy stop. Target is here. Buy stop above this candle. It have to break above this candle, and we put our stop here at 36 pip. Okay. Not a very big risk and risk reward there. 42 pips versus 38 pips, almost 1-to-1. Okay, but let's see how it plays out. So price just keep on sideways there. We make a bottom wick, make a top wick, and now we make a no, it's just sideways. Let's look at Forex Factory calendar. What is the news? So Monday, June 18th. There is no significant USD news. Basically, it's a bank holiday. That's why price is just going sideways. Okay. So let it plays out. Let's see where it goes. If we break the SL level, we're gonna cancel the trade. Okay. So now it's almost 8 p.m. Bank holiday mean there is no significant move for the USD side of this XAUUSD. Gonna forward this bar and see what happened. Okay, so it make rejection to the low side, and okay, now we're in the trade, but immediately we go into drawdown. Okay, price move very sideways. Now it make rejection to the top. Since this is 10, forget there's really nothing to do in the trade unless we hit TP or SL. Of course, we can manage the trade, but that's make the trading session very complicated, and it's very hard to replicate the statistic if we are managing the trade. So decided not to manage the trade and just do set and forget based on the strategy. Okay, oh my god, this is 9:45 p.m. and the price is still in the range. We draw down and almost hit our stop loss there, and boom, we waited for like 1 hour to 1 hour 45 minutes and end up in a stop loss. So this is a really nasty session. So it's already uh, 10 p.m. Um, uh, okay, wait. Let me just journal this losing trade because we took it and we are losing. Okay. Uh, break above timber. Wow. So this is trade number 26 in the month of June, sorry. Date is 17. No, it's not 17. It's 10, 20th. And the time was 8:15 p.m. 10L minus history minus 253 minus 253 40 pips minus 1 number of bullish pin bar. Okay, so first losing trade, and we'll see how the candle formed tonight. So there's a breakout structure here, but I'm not keen to take the sell because the candle wasn't so big. There's only like 17 pip. But the next target is here. Unless if I took the trade here, put a stop here, 20 pip, and then target here, 32 pip. Let's see the M30. Okay, sorry. It's too fast. Let's okay. So let's see on M30 how big is this candle. This candle is 30 pip. Okay, basically it look like we can take this trade on M30. I'll take this trade on M30 because we have a breakout structure here. But you need to be cautious of all this rejection also. So I'll try to target up to here on this trade. Or we need to close by midnight. So since price already pulled back to about 50% of this candle, I'm gonna just instant sell. Put our stop above this TP here, and we got to R. Okay, I will play the chart. Look at M15. Okay, there's good bearish engulf there. Wow. Oh my God, this is really a ranging market. After the bearish engulf, we straight away hit our stop. Okay, so there you go. We have two losing trade for the night. This trade went into how much? 18 pips, and our stop was 24 pips, so it's not even 1 hour. Okay, done for Monday. It's a bad trading day. Bank holiday. Price is very rangy. Wait, need to capture this on M30. That's our entry time frame. We were entering at 50% of this candle just now. Okay. 50%, and this is the OS, but it's very tight over there. Okay, so two losing trade for tonight. Gave us -2%. This is trade number 27. Date is 20th June, and we took this trade about 17 plus 5 for 22, 10:30 p.m. Wow, that's very late in the session. Still 40 pips. Was it 40 pips? Let me see. No, oh, wait. It's like 18 pips actually. Okay. So, okay, we're done with the Monday, 20th of June, the losing day. And then we're gonna forward the chart all the way to, stop this, 13 hours. So again, we wanna clear all this marking, default, clear the marking. Oh, what is this? Okay. Okay, so we're back to a clean chart. We're ready for Tuesday, 21st of June, 2022. H4, let's mark the SNR level. If we see here, price actually making a bull flag. It's making a bull flag. But this bull flag has not break up, so price is still ranging. Okay. This is RBS, resistance becomes support level. Significant level for us. This is the resistance level, high liquidity zone. This price need to break this to continue bullish. Hopefully it does that on this session tonight. Okay, pick this also. It's all the way up here, but it's good to just mark it. So we clone this to H1. In H1, we're gonna mark the SND zone. Okay, this one. We got this one. It's almost there. If price break this one up, it can continue to go bullish. Demand zone, and demand zone over here. Alright, let's look at M30. M30 price goes up and make a rejection from this one, but doesn't mean we can sell. Basically, this is a tricky situation. There's no buy, there's no sell at this particular point of time. Pin bar rejection, bearish candle. The only way we can sell is if this one broke, but the target will be just here only, probably. Okay, let's play the candle and see how it goes. I want to make sure this. Okay, actually we can take a sell there. sell stop. Sell stop, break low this candle, TP here, TP low here. If it's not ready to make a up move, it should continue to go down or not. H1 is bullish, making a bullish candle. So now I'm making a top wick. If we go down, there will be high possibility that I continue to go down. So I retest the exact level again. Look like I'm making a top wick. Nope, I'm making a bearish pin bar. We stick with our game plan. I'm gonna sell only if you break that candle. Okay, now you broke that candle, but you reject up again. Wow, this is a very tricky situation. Okay, it goes down. Hopefully continue to move bearish in our direction. Okay, probably I need to make it a little bit slower. This is too fast. Sometimes hard to see. Really a nerve-wracking trading session, I would say. There's no red USD news for Tuesday, June 21st this year. So let's keep watching this, see how it unfolds. Wow, that pullback is nasty. Really make you want to close the trade prematurely. Oof, come on guys. Trade. Yeah, about 5 pips, 2 pips. Oh, come on. We're making a rejection here. Wow, it's a sideways market still. So it's kind of a bit too early to how to say to sell because you have not tapped into the zone. You just do it is thing back and forth in this in between the zone here. But this buy would have, I don't know. Okay, let's pause for a while. This trade go 28 pips actually. More than 1 hour over here. But it's not reach our TP target, which is here. Okay, now we're in drawdown. We're gonna screenshot this. June 21st. This trade is triggered at 6:15. So So this kind of trade can be really bad on psychology because it's already make a decent profit before it hit the stop loss again. So this would have been a good buy trade by itself, but we miss it. This will be 30 pips, and now okay, it's almost 30 pips. So, oh, let's see where it goes. So as you can see here, this trade would hit TP. So now we are at the sell zone. We just need to see a sell signal to take our trade. There's really no clear signal over here. Okay, so price broke above that zone but did not close above. So the bearish move is still in play. We need to see how this candle close. Okay. So okay, I just waited. I would like to take a sell if this candle close bearish. I'll probably take a sell on the pullback. Okay. So now let this close first. It's okay if I miss the trade. I don't want to take a stop again on this one. Okay, so now this candle close bearish up down here, and what I can do is I wanna take a sell and a pullback here. Mm. Oh, let's see on M30 how it look like. M30, yep, a strong rejection. Um, you know what? I'm gonna take a trade when this candle flip bearish, and I'm gonna put my stop up here because now the 50% is already here. So I make a sell stop. Sell stop down here. Stop loss there, and I'll target this. Should be a good profit with it. So let's see if it does flip. Okay, now it flip bearish. Just don't flip up down up down. Oh, how much was this? Stop. I didn't check the stop properly, so it's like 20 pips. Okay, break the low, please. Break. Okay, now you break the low, which is good. Need to fill up all this candle. Okay, on M30 up to this candle body will be good target. Making a pullback there. This is a nasty price action, I would say. Oh, it's very nerve-wracking trade again. This is 18 pip, and it does go up to 20 over pip. Okay, so it continued to go in the direction. Okay. Let me modify the. Uh, okay, so it hit our TP. All right. So the first trade profit after long losing streak, 3 losing streak. So this is trade number 29. Took on M30 on the pullback of this on the flip of this candle. So basically, there is something quite important inside the movement just now. We were waiting for the so we wait for this candle to form, and we wait for this candle to form a top wick and flip bearish. That's why we take the trade, break below this pin bar. Okay, so I'm gonna mark it as M15 so that I can explain the trade setup. Okay, this number one. This is a pin bar. Pin bar reject the zone, which is the H4 zone. Pin bar reject. Then number two, this candle form, this bearish candle form, indicate that price want to continue to go down. And the third one is entry when this one flip bearish. Bearish. Okay, so TP target is body. So this is for TP. You might go all the way here, but it's a bit too fast stretch. Let's see if we go down all the way. Straight number 29. Look like it does not. It just reject the body. 21st of June. Okay, and the time was this entry was at 7 no 8 p.m. This one, how much was the profit? How much we made? 4.443. We might hit the one. Stop loss under here. 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips. R is 443 divided by 2. Oh, okay. It tapped the SNR level. It tapped the SNR level. This one 443 by 250, we make 1.7 R. 7 R. Okay. So now, wait a minute, price, okay, so this is a range again, but here it reject the H4 SNR level, and keep making a higher low. We could potentially take the buy above this one to continue to go up. Okay, let's do that. Buy stop. Put our TP level here. So buy above this candle. Stop is here, which is 24 pip, 1.38. That's not too bad. Because we keep making a higher low over here. Unless if this one break below here. So now we're in a range. Okay, looks like our buy is triggered. Buy is triggered. It's 10 p.m. Oh my god, price move really slowly. 21st of June, USD news at 10 p.m. It was good, neutral basically. And price really struggled to go up. But anyhow, it breaks up. Okay, for this trade, since it's already late, I'm gonna put it at break even because I think one more hour, like half an hour for the end of the day. So I just gonna break even because I probably just gonna close the trade. I have to close the trade by 12 midnight, so I just break even this trade first, which I think it probably hit because of this spike. Yeah. Oh, you know what? It's 17. This is already like 11:30 p.m. I just gonna close it. There's no need to be fancy. Just close the trade. Close the trade with $67 dollar. It's already 11:30 p.m. Okay. 67 divided by 250. 0.25%. Gonna journal this. Okay, break above. So break above. To close at session end. Okay, then we have trade number 30, third trade for today. One loss, one win, one break even. Okay. 21st June. This trade was very late, I would say. Shouldn't have waited this long. This is 16, 10:45. Stop was 25 pips. Okay, close all. And if we have waited until 12 midnight, we are still at the entry price, and boom, it's a losing trade. It's a good idea to close it anyway, because price just wants a range. This is a range. Price just range there. Not a very good place to trade. No. Which one is this? So okay, we're done with day number 2 of the week, which is Tuesday, 21st of June. Let's forward the candle to tomorrow, Wednesday, 13 hours. Now we go to H4. So we can see here, price have broken up the channel. Look like we're gonna continue bullish. Okay, that's a good news for us. We can have this here, and the rest is all the same. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this one up. Clean this one up. Clean this one up. Then we go to H4, and then we delete this, delete this, delete this, and delete this, delete this as well. So we okay. Right, it broke. It broke. So the up move seems to be continue. Then let's mark the SNR level. So there's no clear SNR level over here. So let's look at the high liquidity zone. Probably price can make a return up to here. Okay. So we want to see this level. This is the broken level, and actually this is a good entry to continue to go up, as price already broken this supply zone above it. We take the buy over here. Okay, and of course this is by itself is up here, and this one is down here. And this guy is down here. All right. Let's see if there's anything on YouTube chat. No, nobody is on YouTube chat. That's fine. Okay, so let's see on M30. M30 is the same candle. M15 is a bit different. So I'm gonna take this trade on M30. 50% pullback of this. Oops, sorry. Okay, so basically this is our entry, and the stop will be like how many? 35 pips. Okay, that's fine. Buy limit. TP will be here, and buy limit here, and our stop is here. So stop. Okay. Let's see if it's play out. Oh, triggered. I think yes, we are in the buy. Oh, we're still not in the buy. Yep, now we're in the buy. Okay, basically we broke all this rejection zone over here. We should continue to go bullish. and the channel, as we can see on H4, is broken, so it should at least go up to there. Okay. A rather challenging trade. Just don't go down and hit my stop. Up you go, up you go. Okay. Wow. That's a nasty price action there. Oof. It's almost hit our stop. I look like, oh, on M15 is a bearish pin bar. No. That is weird. Close back in the zone, huh? So this is a fake out. Close back in the zone. Immediately close back in the zone. And I think this would be the buy that we're looking for. Wow. Okay, so let me pause this to make the journal. How did we enter just now? We have seen this. Price immediately close back in the zone. Fake out. This is a fake out. Fake out. Yep. There's the fake out. We took it on M30. This would have been a good sell, but we are not into the sell. How can we take this trade? We can't take this trade because really there's no good setup there. 31, the 22nd of June. Okay, so that's fine. Don't get emotional about it. It's just another trade. Let's play the candle. So we need to see support form for us to continue to go bullish, but somehow it does not happen here. Oh wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. Is that news? Wednesday, 8:30. Nope, there's no USD news. But why? Okay, so wait a minute. Stop. So now this candle actually tap at this demand zone and go bullish. So we need to look at the strategy. How this is 100 pin bar, so huge. I'll look to enter at the 50% level and cap my stop loss at 50%. So I'm gonna put a buy limit here. TP up here. Oh, sorry. Put it at 50% level. Cap the stop loss at 30 pips, which is here. Okay, let's see. If this is another news candle, then we are screwed. That's a huge M15 candle. Is it gonna give us the entry or not? Okay, let's forward the bar. Nope, it doesn't give us the entry. Oh, wait a minute. Up. Ah, okay. Come on, please make a support. No, it doesn't look like you're making a support. Okay. We need this candle to break above that. Okay, so it break above. Yep. And it's 8:20 p.m. 8:20 p.m. 8:20 p.m. Volatile move now, volume time, but that candlestick formation look really nasty to me. At 30 p.m. At 30 p.m. candle is open. This is the 8:30 p.m. candle, and we close at 8:45. Now it's 8:36. And I think this was one of those trades that we need to wait for a long time and end up hit a stop loss. 45, come on, 45, boom, okay. Ah. Yep, that's one of those trades that take a long time to develop and end up with stop loss. It goes until 1 hour though. Oh, that's a terrible night. Well, it does actually respect the low of this candle. Okay, so 2 loss for the night. Basically, we're done here. Anyway, 2 loss for the night. Wow, 22nd is a losing night. 2 loss. Okay, that's fine. 2 losing night. 2 trade, and it's a losing night. 50% of this. Buy here would be a better idea. TP here. This buy is a bad buy because it's at the supply zone. Yeah, you shouldn't look for buy here. Okay. Lesson learned. Date is 22nd June, and then the time of the trade was say 1955 15. Okay, let's say bad buy as we are at supply zone. Okay. Now let's change this to H1. Stop the thing and we move to 24 13 hours. Okay, so now we at Thursday 6 p.m. we're gonna clean the template again. Clean the template. So it actually break here, but it pull back really deep to probably want to go up, but yeah, it pulled back really deep. We can delete this and remove this SNR level here. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, update this one, and again we do the same thing over and over again. That's how it's supposed to be. And then we mark this zone, we mark this zone, then we mark this zone. Clone update, then we look at M30, how M30 look like. Okay, price is at the mid of the range, don't do anything there. Yep, M15 is the same thing. So let's just play the chart, see where it goes. If it goes here and reject, we can sell. If it goes here, reject, we can buy. But do not trade in the middle of the range. Okay, so let price do its thing. Currently it's still ranging over there. Okay, goes up, goes up. What time is this now? So now we can't catch this. It's New York session, London session. You see how it look like M30. Okay, so price goes up. We need to see if this is a break or a fake out. That's very important. So now it looks like it's gonna reject the zone. Okay, so immediately go back, go out or not. Okay, let's see how this candle. Okay, so now price is rejecting this zone. What we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the 50% entry of this candle. Either that or break below here. I'll take the break below, not the 50% pullback. Stop loss now is 30 pip, reasonable. Then we TP down here. Okay, let's TP there. So this is our plan, and let it execute. Then boom, it goes up because it create a support. Then our trade idea is no longer a valid. Wow, it goes up really high. Oof. Okay, so look like the price continue to go bullish because this is basically, as you can see here on H4, the channel breaks out, right? It's just that it's hard to find an entry here because our bias was bearish and then price continued to go up, and catch we don't catch this move, unfortunately. uh, Else this would have been a good move to catch. You can see here, put a buy stop there, TP on here, and this will still be a very decent trade, 1 to 1.3. Okay, let this candle close. So it at the rejection zone, I'm gonna take it if it goes above that candle. Okay, so now we're gonna do buy stop. TP target up here, buy stop here, stop is here. So 30 pips, and I don't know, maybe can we reach up there? Here is 1.5. How about here? Okay, let's see. Because if we continue to go up, means we're making a support. Are we in the buy yet? Yes, we're in the buy. Oh my god. Don't flip bearish. If you flip bearish, it's gonna be dangerous. Yeah, it has a bottom week. That's the problem. I don't know. Just don't flip bearish because that will be very bad. Okay. I said this trade is a little bit premature because we don't really know that support is formed, but now support is formed here, and 15. Oh gosh. Where's the 50% of this candle? Probably shouldn't be shy to take it at the 50%. And how much is this stock? That will be a safe trade to take. This is a very, oh, hard to say, nerve-wracking trade. It's not good for trading psychology to have price always come very close to the stop loss. Yeah. Oh no. Taking the trade at the wrong place. Just correctively move. Wow, what the move. It's always a fake out move, huh? It's very, this is, what time is this? 6:30. It's the fake out move. Anyway, we take a one trade and it's a losing trade. Doesn't matter, we take here, we take there, it's the same thing. Still a losing trade. So we trade, follow the plan, but unfortunately it's a losing trade and we are in a drawdown again in this account. Okay, so let's journal this one. Date is August 28, not July 10, June 23rd, and it's 7:30 p.m. Wow. Can I take a sell here? This is a breakout structure. Selling. Okay, let's see if it plays out. What? Spread. It's not taking our entry. Let's see if this is the right place. Yeah, that's exactly where it's supposed to be. Okay, so we're in the cell. Okay, so we're in a sell now. If price broke below this level, that'll be good. If not, we're in a risk. Come on, just 5 minutes and broke it. Nope, not yet. Break low, break low, break low, break low, break low. There you go. Boom, boom. Yep. Okay, now you break low. Just need to just stay low. Stay low. Mm-hmm. That's a good move. So we're now at 1 hour. Price is making a rejection over here. Okay, so now it's 9, almost 10 p.m. Almost 10 p.m. Okay, so looking at this, I'm gonna close this at here. Price almost reach here. I don't want it to reject, else we'll not be able to close it. And this first, we have a break of structure here. BOS. This entry is at 50% of the BE candle. That's it. TP is here. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. It's quite a good trade, quite easy trade I would say, unlike this one. And date is August 23rd. Time is time was here, the trigger here 16 20 9 p.m. $496. Stop loss is 30 pip. 2 hour. I'll say clear, bearish. Okay. Cross all. Yep, it tapped the H4. Okay, so that's the end of the trading session. I'll say I don't think I want to trade anymore for this day. It's gonna be tricky to trade the end of the session until 11 p.m. Alright, next one. Last day of the week, Friday. Let's go there. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there you go. We clear the chart. Default, template, default, template, default, and there you go. So as you can see here, it goes up, then it does not make a continuation to goes up. So this bull flag is fail. However, price might retest this SNR level first before it go up. Okay, let's see. I remain this one here, and I keep this one here as well, and I keep this. I just need to adjust the oh, sorry. So I'll move it here, and this is here, this is here. Okay, everything looks fine. Update, go to H1, throw our SND level again. This one hasn't changed much, and so does, okay, this one is a bit tricky because this is basically a high liquidity zone, and this one is here, straightforward. And there you go. So now clone, then we go to entity, how does it look like? Looks okay. We need to see the price direction to goes up basically, and that's what we're gonna wait for. Just wait for it. Okay, come on, price continue to go bearish. Tap the zone, there you go. Wow. Okay, so now this this strong rejection of this SNR level. Let's look for pullback for us to buy, and how much they stop. Wow, there's like 50 pips. It's a big stop. Okay, so let's do a buy limit. If we buy limit here, TP here, sorry, TP here, stop here, and TP here, 1.12. Okay. Okay, TP here, 1.5. All right. So okay, now in a trade, but this candle looks very big. Right, it goes up, continue to goes up. Wow. So how it look? Okay, on MTT it looks good. Definitely looks good on MTT. So we at 1R plus plus, and we can forward this candle a little bit. Okay, we're good. We're in a good profit now. But we are at this rejection zone. Price have been rejecting this like many times, and it's not able to close above this one. So, oh, come on. 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. should have volume to continue to go up. Wow. Okay, so now we break above this. Yep, the strong bullish push. Okay, 300. Okay, so we at the H4 SNR zone. And we are at 300. I'm gonna close it at 300 because we have tapped this SNR zone. Possible rejection here. I don't want to take that risk, and I'm just gonna journal this trade before that. One is this is the TP. Okay, so 35th trade, 35th trade. No, not 26 August. It's June 24th, and the time was here 6:45. 315. 30 pips. Nope. This is not 30 pips. This was like 60 pips. We're following structure. I could have used 30 pips and have a very good profit. I think it's like 315 divided by 215. 215 divided by 215. 1.46. Okay. Okay, let's look for where does this goes. Okay, now it reject the zone. I'm gonna look for sell. Oh wait, I did not close. Oh my god. Sorry, close all. So it was here just now, looking for sell based off this rejection, and I'm gonna take it at 50%. I'm gonna put my stop above this zone. Sell limit here, stop above the zone, which is here. They're gonna be like 36 pip. Okay, that's fine. Let's my trigger. 17 hours. 17 hours plus 5. It's already 11 p.m. So I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm gonna decide to delete it. Okay, so basically that's the whole week session. I would say this week was mixed, but at least we recovered a little bit. And as you can see here from the journal, this is this week, the week of 21st to 24th of June, 20th to 24th of June. So we start the week pretty rough. We got losing day on Monday, which is these two, and then Tuesday is a profit day. Wednesday is a straight losing day again. Thursday is a winning day, and Friday is a winning day. So overall, this week look like it's still a winning week. Let's do a quick maths on this one. So 1.46 plus 2 minus 3 plus 0.25 plus 1.77, and then this 3 minus 3 minus 3. So wow, it's still a losing week. Because there's too much loss on the beginning of the week. Anyhow, this is our third week of the June back testing session. Thank you for watching. We will stream again to finish up the month of June back testing session. All right. See you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.